Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this monthly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques relating to the top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 43,756 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 42,480 and is also above the 19th period, monthly moving average. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 47,710 and 41,958 respectively. Technically, the monthly trading has generated a white candle and a bullish breakout from the resistance zone. The trending indicators are mildly bullish. The PRL closed at 23.79 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 21.49. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 28.85 and 21.46 respectively. Technically, the trending indicator is neutral. The TRG closed at 91.41 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 79.78. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 93.00 and 79.95 respectively. Technically, wide spread between monthly closing and the 19th period moving average can provoke a sideways movement. The Unity Foods closed at 32.06 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 28.98. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 37.54 and 25.64 respectively. The technical indicators are showing signs of weakness. The HASCOL closed at 14.69 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is below the monthly pivot level of 14.88. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 17.10 and 13.07 respectively. Technically, the stock is in sideways mode. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 45.01 level on December 31, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 42.37. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 50.30 and 39.51 respectively. The RoboCunny indicator is highly overbought. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.